Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a team inbox in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually come to the left-hand panel, click on Admin Settings, and then from here, click on Channels, and now click on Team Inbox. And first, you just go ahead and paste in an email address to make it to your team inbox. I'll use this one right here. We'll paste it in, and then you click on Add Team Inbox. They'll actually send you a verification link that you go ahead and click on. So you just come to your email address, click on the verification link to basically verify yourself. So here we go. Here's the link. Just scroll down, click on that link, and then you will basically be verified. You can see it is now verified. Email verification status has now been verified. And then you can just go ahead and do your domain verification as well. And then click here on Manage Users. You can choose who can access this team inbox. So it's either all the users in your company, or you can do selected users, teams, and territories. You just go ahead and select the ones that you want to go ahead and access this email. Then you click on Save. Okay, really that easy. And that is how to set up a team inbox in Freshsales.